Tactical Walls takes inspiration from classic spy films like Mr. and Mrs. Smith, offering innovative ways to keep your valuables and weapons discreetly hidden at home. Now, anyone can enhance their home security with their creative solutions. One standout product is a clock that features a secret compartment measuring 25 by 36 centimeters, perfect for hiding a knife, a pistol, a taser, and more. You can easily access this hidden stash by pressing the clock near the number 12, keeping your essentials secure and out of sight. Priced at around $130, this clock is just the beginning. The Tactical Walls team has designed an array of clever items, including mirrors, shelves, and even napkin holders, all equipped with hidden compartments. With approximately 8,000 home invasions occurring each year in the U.S. alone, having these discreet hiding spots can be a practical way to protect yourself and your loved ones. Tactical Walls makes home security not just functional, but also stylish, ensuring your home remains a safe haven while keeping your essentials close at hand.
Tactical and sphinxarms.com.
Ornamental Security takes door protection seriously. They not only understand the ins and outs of door design, but they've also studied how burglars think. For instance, they know that the lock is usually the first thing a thief targets. That's why they reinforce it with a hefty 6.4mm steel plate, making it much harder to break through. On top of that, they use a special polycarbonate glass that's 20 times stronger than standard glass. It's also a little flexible, so it can absorb impacts better, providing an extra layer of protection. Every door they make is custom built to perfectly match your home's design and needs, ensuring both style and security. This level of craftsmanship and innovation does come with a price tag, around $1,300 per door. But when it comes to keeping your home safe, many consider it a smart investment. Ornamental Security's doors aren't just strong, they're built to give you peace of mind, knowing your home has top-notch protection against break-ins. Introducing the Hornet Less Lethal Launcher from Intruders, a compact and versatile tactical air pistol designed for personal protection and discreet storage. Measuring just 18 centimeters in length, it's perfect for keeping in tactical walls or secret compartments. This non-lethal pistol can help you defend against threats without causing serious harm. The Hornet is capable of firing paintballs, rubber balls, and pepper balls, allowing you to choose the best option for your situation. To enhance your accuracy, it features a Picatinny rail, making it easy to attach a tactical light for better visibility. With an effective range of up to 30 meters, the Hornet is designed to keep you safe from a distance. Its magazine can hold 4 balls, ensuring you're prepared for any encounter. Priced at $170, this pistol offers an accessible option for those seeking a reliable and non-lethal self-defense tool. Stay protected and confident with the Hornet Less Lethal Launcher, your tactical solution for safety in uncertain situations. FAC is here to tackle the wildfire crisis head-on. Their Kickstarter page grabs your attention with a striking image of a house engulfed in flames, accompanied by a powerful message. What if this was my home? What if I lost everything to a pile of ash? The stats are alarming. Over the past 3 years, wildfires have scorched more than 3 million hectares in California, destroying nearly 50,000 buildings. That's where FACE comes in. This innovative system consists of sprinkler heads strategically placed around your home. In the event of a fire, these sprinklers automatically release fire-extinguishing chemicals within a 1.5-meter radius, creating a protective barrier that helps stop the fire from spreading. FACE can even be installed inside rooms for added safety. You can support this life-saving technology on Kickstarter for just $99. With FAC, you're not just protecting your home, you're investing in peace of mind. Don't wait until it's too late. Be proactive about fire safety and join the fight against wildfires today. Meet Bullet Blocker, a company founded by Joe Curran, a former U.S. Army firearms trainer and deputy sheriff. After the tragic events at Virginia Tech, Joe was deeply concerned for the safety of his 2 children, which inspired him to create protective gear. His first product was a bulletproof backpack designed specifically for students, ensuring they have a layer of safety in their everyday lives. Today, bullet blocker backpacks are protecting students across the United States. These backpacks have been rigorously tested to meet NIJ Level 3A standards, meaning they can withstand bullets from a range of firearms, including .357 Magnum, .44 Magnum, 9mm, and .45 caliber. Priced at $200, these backpacks offer peace of mind for parents and students alike. In addition to backpacks, Bullet Blocker also offers protective bags, folders, and other gear. For example, their protective panel can stop .45 ACP bullets fired from just 1.5 meters away, and their folding shield can be easily carried and quickly deployed, expanding to 150 by 81 centimeters in emergency situations. Bullet Blocker is committed to enhancing safety and security in our schools and communities. Introducing the Yard Enforcer, your ultimate solution for keeping unwanted animals off your lawn. Imagine a tranquil garden where you can relax without the disturbance of neighborhood cats, dogs, squirrels, and other critters. With the Yard Enforcer, you can make that dream a reality. This innovative system uses an infrared sensor to detect intruders and sprays them with water from up to 11 meters away, all while using just 2 cups of water per shot. Powered by 4 AA batteries, it can last for an impressive 7,500 on-off cycles. You can easily program it to operate during the day, at night, or even 24/7, giving you complete control over when it activates. Plus, the adjustable jet intensity allows the Yard Enforcer to double as a lawn sprinkler, keeping your garden lush and hydrated. Say goodbye to unwanted visitors and hello to a peaceful yard. Enjoy your outdoor space without worrying about pesky animals, and let the Yard Enforcer do the work for you. It's time to reclaim your lawn and relax in comfort. SunSwift 7 from the University of New South Wales in Australia is leading the charge in sustainable transportation with their amazing solar-powered cars, like the SunSwift Eve and SunSwift Violet. This dedicated team is breaking barriers in eco-friendly vehicle design while competing for the title of the world's fastest solar car. Speed is often subjective and can depend on many factors. But there's no denying that SunSwift cars showcase impressive performance and cutting-edge technology. Their participation in solar car races not only demonstrates their engineering expertise, but also emphasizes the incredible potential of solar energy to power vehicles. SunSwift's mission extends beyond racing. They are focused on advancing green technologies within the automotive industry. By utilizing solar power, they are helping to create a cleaner and more sustainable future for transportation. Join us as we dive into the inspiring journey of the SunSwift team and their vision for transforming the automotive world. Together, they are driving toward a greener tomorrow, showing that with innovation and determination, solar-powered cars can pave the way for a more sustainable planet. Introducing the Twike 5, a groundbreaking electric vehicle that combines the features of a tricycle and a car. This unique design uses a hybrid technology that harnesses both electricity and human power to move you forward. With its innovative 3-wheel structure and a newly developed side-stick steering system, the Twike 5 promises an exceptional driving experience. The Twike 5 can reach impressive speeds of up to 190 kilometers per hour and offers a remarkable range of up to 500 kilometers on a single charge. It's designed not just for speed, but also for efficiency and sustainability, making it a game-changer in the electric vehicle market. Plus, it's incredibly quiet, producing an acoustic signature so soft that you won't hear it from the ground when it flies above 300 meters. Developed in line with detailed guidelines from the European Union Aviation Safety Agency (EASA), the Twike 5 is set to revolutionize the electric vehicle sector. Experience the future of transportation with this innovative vehicle that prioritizes speed, range, and sustainability, all while delivering a smooth, silent ride. Introducing the Saurian QBX, a groundbreaking vehicle that transforms personal mobility. Designed to bridge the gap between urban and rural transportation, the QBX reflects Saurian's dedication to innovation and technology. With its sleek design and powerful performance, this vehicle delivers a unique driving experience that emphasizes pleasure and balance, making every ride enjoyable. The QBX can reach speeds of up to 45 kilometers per hour, ensuring it's a practical and efficient choice for your daily travels. Whether navigating city streets or exploring country roads, the QBX is built to handle it all. This vehicle isn't just about speed, it's about creating a seamless blend of aesthetics and functionality. Imagine a ride that feels just as good as it looks. The future of transportation is here, and it's called the QBX. Say goodbye to traditional modes of transport and embrace a new way to travel that's smart, stylish, and efficient. Get ready to experience personal mobility like never before with the Sorayan QBX, where technology meets design for a better tomorrow. Transform your Segway 9bot experience into an exciting go-kart adventure with the Segway 9bot Go-Kart Kit. This innovative kit turns your self-balancing scooter into a thrilling racing machine. Designed for riders of all ages, it features an adjustable frame length and steering wheel height, ensuring a comfortable and customizable ride for everyone. Safety is a top priority with the Go-Kart Kit, boasting a mechanical handbrake and foot pedal acceleration for smooth and responsive control, letting you zip around at speeds of up to 15 miles per hour. The reinforced frame structure adds extra durability, giving you peace of mind while you race and drift. Get ready to unleash your inner racer with the Segway 9bot Go-Kart Kit. Whether you're speeding down a track or maneuvering through turns, this kit combines fun, innovation, and safety for an unforgettable experience. So, buckle up, grip that steering wheel, and enjoy the ride of a lifetime with the perfect blend of excitement and reliability. Introducing the PodBike e-bike, also known as the Fricker e-bike, an innovative hybrid of a bike and a car. This unique, fully enclosed e-bike is designed for the road, providing pedal assistance for both the driver and passenger. Its aerodynamic shape reduces air drag, allowing for a top speed of 25 kilometers per hour with electric assistance and even 60 kilometers per hour downhill. With a battery range of 30 to 60 kilometers, the PodBike combines efficiency with fun. Its four-wheel design ensures excellent stability and ride comfort, making it ideal for navigating all kinds of terrain and weather. Plus, it offers complete protection from the elements, making it perfect for Nordic climates. The PodBike is equipped with lights and indicators for visibility and safety, while the filtered air cabin enhances comfort. For added convenience, there's even an optional window wiper. This groundbreaking vehicle is set to change the electric vehicle landscape, offering a practical and enjoyable way to travel. Whether commuting or exploring, the PodBike e-bike is a game-changer for urban mobility, ensuring you stay comfortable and connected in any weather. Introducing the Landcrawler X Stream, a one-of-a-kind robot with 12 legs designed to carry loads and provide a unique transportation experience. Powered by a motor, this skateboard-like device allows you to glide smoothly while standing or sitting cross-legged on its low platform, which sits about 10 inches off the ground. With a remarkable capacity to carry up to 175 pounds, it's perfect for transporting everything from groceries to gear. While it may not be the fastest way to travel, the Landcrawler X Stream excels in its versatility. Imagine effortlessly sending a fresh batch of beer from the kitchen to your living room without lifting a finger. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced skier, you'll appreciate the quick 20-minute learning curve that makes it easy to operate. This innovative vehicle is not just practical, it's also a fun and engaging way to move around. So why not give it a try? The Landcrawler X Stream is here to make your life easier and add a touch of excitement to your daily routines. Introducing Fat Bike Skis, the ultimate way to explore snow-covered trails and experience winter like never before. Imagine the thrill of gliding through powdery snow, carving turns, and feeling the rush of adrenaline as you ride your bike in a whole new way. Fat Bike Skis open up exciting possibilities for both seasoned fat bikers and those seeking a fresh adventure. These skis are incredibly easy to install and simple to use, making them perfect for winter enthusiasts of all skill levels. Plus, They require minimal maintenance, so you can focus on having fun rather than worrying about gear. With fat bike skis, you can tackle snowy landscapes and enjoy the great outdoors during winter months. Whether you're exploring local trails or embarking on a winter getaway, these skis will transform your ride into an unforgettable experience. So why wait? Get ready to embrace the snow and ride like never before with fat bike skis. Discover pepper spray systems by Less Lethal Concepts. If you've ever encountered pepper spray, you know it delivers an intense sting upon contact. Get it in your eyes, and you'll cry harder than you did at the end of Titanic. We recently toured the Less Lethal Concepts factory, where safety and innovation come together. This company focuses on pepper-based defense products designed to keep you safe in various situations. What's really clever is how they cleverly hide their pepper spray systems in unexpected places, like gate posts and under car doors. This way, intruders will have no idea what hit them. They'll be left coughing and confused, unsure of where the spray came from. But the effects of their pepper spray go beyond just discomfort. It can make breathing difficult and even cause eyelid spasms, adding to the intruder's troubles. Plus, it's effective against dogs too. With Less Lethal Concepts, you can feel more secure knowing their pepper spray systems provide a smart, non-lethal way to defend yourself. Protect your space and stay safe with their innovative solutions that are both effective and discreet. Stay one step ahead with pepper spray systems. Creative home defense, paintball landmines. While burglars might come prepared with pepper spray or laser systems, have you thought about a unique way to catch them off guard? Don't worry, it's all completely legal. We're talking about using modified paintball and airsoft gear for home defense. Take the PBM-22C, for instance. This reusable 68 caliber paintball mine can fire 60 paintballs at once, covering about 14 square meters. Priced at just $167, it's a fun and effective way to protect your home. If you want something with a bit more excitement, there are options that can shoot multiple rounds rapidly. Imagine the shock on an intruder's face when they trigger a colorful paintball explosion instead of the usual alarms or motion sensors. These innovative paintball mines not only keep your home safe, but also add a playful twist to your security measures. Why settle for traditional home defenses when you can have a blend of fun and functionality? With paintball landmines, you can turn your property into a colorful fortress, making it clear that you take security seriously, while also keeping it entertaining. Introducing the Lit Motors AEV, a game-changing two-wheeled vehicle that redefines transportation. This all-electric, self-balancing ride combines the best of motorcycles and cars, offering both efficiency and safety. With advanced gyroscopic technology, the AEV stays perfectly balanced, making it easy to ride. Imagine cruising through city streets or hitting the highway at speeds up to 160 kilometers per hour. This compact and eco-friendly vehicle is perfect for any journey. Safety features like traction control and anti-lock brakes ensure a secure ride, so you can travel with confidence. With its sleek design and futuristic appeal, the AEV is ideal for those wanting to embrace a modern, sustainable lifestyle. Experience the future of travel with the Lit Motors AEV.